Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Busted Grill Garage. Today, well, we're just gonna see where today takes us. So I've got quite a little bit going on in the shop, and I know what I need to get done, but I don't know how much is actually gonna get done today. I need to get this motor torn down so I can get rid of it, get rid of the block, and I need to get this block up on the engine stand so I can clean it up and see what it needs as far as machine work goes. And then maybe past that I can just kind of make sense of some stuff that's going on here and see what I'm going to sell and see what I'm going to hang on to for any kind of future builds. So I'm going to get torn into this 454 block here, so hang around, it ought to be a good time. Okay, so the memory card on my camera decided it was gonna, fill up. So it just shut the video off right in the middle of trying to pull that head off there, but I went ahead and got the head pulled off and got the oil pan pulled off. And from what I can tell, it actually does not look bad in here. You can tell by that number 8 stamped on that rod that it's been torn into before, and we can also tell that by the fact that it's been bored over 40 thousandths, but it doesn't look all that bad. I'm gonna go ahead and get the oil pump pulled off of it, and then we can start pulling rods and pistons out of it. Already had the steel intermediate shaft collar put on there, so that's a necessary upgrade when you're tearing into one of these. So I've been having some difficulties with my cameras, so I decided to just go ahead and finish getting this block tore down. everything actually looks to be in pretty decent shape on it. Too bad I'm not hanging on to it. Just had a cast steel crank in it, wasn't anything special, and I actually lost one of the rod bolts out of a piston, so there's that. That was fun to try to get taken care of. So I reckon I'm gonna clean up my massive mess here and then get this motor off the stand and get the block that I'm gonna build up onto the stand. You know, just before I decided I was gonna get the engine hoist out and, you know, do this the right way, I thought to myself, what is the safest and least sketchy way we could do this to get this block off the engine stand? And I thought about it for a few minutes, and I said, well, that probably won't be quick and easy. We're just gonna do it this way. Wish me luck here. All right, so I've gone ahead and I've got this big block that I'm going to be building up onto the engine stand. And I'm just gonna kind of check out all the cylinder walls, wipe them down, see what I think, see what it needs as far as machine work, and then we're gonna go from there. As you can kind of tell, oh, come on, camera focus. There's a little bit of vertical scarring on each cylinder wall. Now, I had every intention of, you know, taking some brake cleaner and spraying out the bores and wiping them down real well and inspecting them and seeing what needs to be done as far as machine work goes. However, I quickly realized I do not have any brake cleaner, and that's, you know, that's kind of important for that, you would think. So I guess I'm gonna end this one off here, and got a little bit done today, didn't get a whole lot done, but it's just another step in getting us to the No Name Nationals at the end of September 31st and October 1st in Sikeston, Missouri. And I look forward to seeing you guys there. So if you like what you see, hit that like button, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. So I will see you next time. Have a good one, guys.